We can repair and maintain all the high voltage lines, transformers, all the power grid within the units. All the power system that actually belongs to the state. It's a pretty big responsibility. We've got 17 units that we've got to keep up and running, especially in storms and bad weather and everything like that. You know, it's kind of a sense of pride. It feels good to be needed, you know. Sometimes it's a little bit overwhelming, but I mean, it feels good to have people depend on you. You know what I mean? You feel like you're actually doing a good enough job where you're the one they call out first. I've been doing electrical work all my life, and this is what I'm going to do in the world, so it keeps my skills sharp. It's pretty important to me because I'm getting too old to learn anything else. You know, so you got to be able to work with a team, you know, and it's the same way out in the world. You'll have a 3, 4, 5-man team. You'll have, you know, most of the time a couple linemen up in the air and then 2 or 3 people on the ground. And the people on the ground mean just as much as the people up there because they've got to get everything ready for us. I'm fortunate I get to do something that I actually like. Get to go out every day, so it gives me a little better attitude. It's great. It beats being stuck in a dorm or especially in a cell block or something like that all day. You know, we travel all over. It's a cool job, you know what I mean? And it's important. For me personally, I think this is the best job that you can have while you're in TDC.